Hello guys, so you must be looking for WhatsApp to Google Sheet integration. If yes, then we will surely help you with that information. One of our clients from Hayati came to us with this requirement that they need whenever someone start a conversation on WhatsApp, then it should push the user's WhatsApp number and user's name to Google Sheet. So we have solved this problem using WhatsApp Cloud API and XBot. Let's see if this integration is working or not. Before moving ahead, I want you to see our XBot flow and Google Sheet where we have pushed the WhatsApp data. So you can see this is the WhatsApp bot flow which we have set up for our client, and we have used an external request to push the WhatsApp number and name of the user to Google Sheet. Now let's go to Google Sheet where we have pushed all the data. As you can see, this is the Google Sheet where all the data will be saved. Now it's time to test our integration. So let's go to WhatsApp and start a conversation by typing hi. As you can see, the conversation started on WhatsApp. Now we are expecting my WhatsApp number and my name should be pushed to Google Sheet. To verify that, let's go to Google Sheet. So you can see that the data has been saved into the sheet. If you need any type of WhatsApp integration or any CRM integration, then you can call or WhatsApp us on this mobile number. Also, you can reach us via this email. Thanks for watching this video.